Computer education at its best. Ave Maria Computer Center, Center for Excellence. In association with NACTET, National Council for Technology and Training.
Dear friends, today let us learn how to make a presentation, a PowerPoint presentation using Microsoft PowerPoint. For this purpose, we have to go to the taskbar and Start menu, then go to All Programs and go to Microsoft Office, and there you will see PowerPoint. Click on that and the PowerPoint presentation will open. And here you can see various layouts. Plenty of layouts are there. We can choose whichever we want. For the time being, I am choosing this blank one, and a blank presentation appears, and I can see one slide has come there. This area is called work area. Here I can import images or text or a video or audio and so on. We can also change the size of it. For the versions which are from 2013 onwards, sizes already come there, but here for the versions of older versions, you have to go to slide sizes and go to on-screen show and click OK. Then the size appears. If I right click, I can change the layout. Now I am having a blank screen, blank layout. If I want, I can change it. How do I add new slide? I go to Home and click on New Slide. New slide will be added automatically. Now I have created a second slide. This is the way I create more slides. If I want to delete, I can click on this one, right click and click on delete. So that slide will disappear. Or I can click and then press delete button on the keyboard, then also that slide will disappear. Suppose I want more slide one after another, I can click Ctrl M and create more slides. Just enough to press Ctrl M. So more slides will be created. Here I have created 10 slides for you. And this side we see all the slides are here in thumbnail. That is known as slide navigation area. Suppose it is hidden, it will be shown their thumbnail. I go and click that one and it will appear again. Now we will learn how to insert text, images, videos and audios. One by one we will learn. I click on the slide on which I want something to enter. For the time being, I am clicking the first slide and there I want to enter something. So I want to insert some text. What do I do? Here in this drawing you can see text box. I click on that and just click in the place where I want the text to appear. Let me type the matter there. Once I enter the matter, I can change the font size, I can change the font style, etc. And I create one more. Now two texts I have created here. Once that is created, I select the whole thing. And I change the font, I change the style, I change the size, color, etc. as we have learned earlier in the Microsoft Word. I can also place it in the center. And all these can be tried out. Once that is set, I can also arrange it in the center. And once that is set, I can even change the color and so on. Now let me insert, I can insert various other objects also which are given here. For the time being, I am inserting a star here. And I go to drawing tools, and in that I can change the color. Shape fill can be given. And also for the text, I can select the text and go and change the color and shapes and so on from here in the format section. Here I can give various designs and shape effects as we had already learned in Microsoft Word. And I can also copy this one and paste in different places. Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Once that is done, I go to the next slide. Here I want to insert an image. Go to picture, insert pictures. I go and bring the picture and insert, and I can minimize this one, zoom out, then I can make it bigger. I can drag from the corner and make it bigger. Suppose we place the image outside the work area like this. It will not appear when we see or when we show the slideshow. When we view it, it will not be seen. So we should make sure that we keep the images or the text within the work area. Otherwise it will not be shown. Even in the thumbnail I can see whether it is okay or not. Now I go to third slide and I insert another picture image. Go to the fourth. Repeat the same. And the fifth and sixth I repeat the same, but with different images. Seventh one I am leaving because I am going to place one video there later. So I go to the eighth one and again insert a picture. Ninth also. Here I have created only 10 slides. You can create any number of slides you want. The 10th slide I am putting, I am not inserting any image, I am putting a text, the end. Now I have created slides which I require. All slides are ready. Now I will insert a video clipping. Suppose I want to see how it appears, I go to slideshow or just press F5. It will show how it appears. Now in 7th slide, I am going to insert a video. I click that one, then go to insert, and you can see video here. Click on that. Video from my PC. I go to the video and I click insert. That video will be inserted here. And if I play, I can see the video appearing here. Suppose I don't want the complete video, I want to crop it, I want to trim it. That also can be done. I go to video tools and go to playback, and here I can see trim video. Click on that and I drag and keep till the place I want to trim. For example, I want only up to here. I keep there, then click OK, and only that part will appear in the slideshow. Suppose I don't want the music to be played or the background of this video to be played, I can make it mute also by dragging it to down. It is mute. Now I play, I see only the video. Now, if I click this start automatically, the video will play automatically when it reaches there. And if I click play full screen, video will be played in full screen. Now let us see how the slide plays. I go to the first slide, and before that let me also teach you how to insert audio. I go to the first slide because I want a background music to be played all through this presentation. So I click on the first slide, then go to insert, and go to audio in media. Then I go and choose the audio file which I want, and insert. That is placed already, and you will see this icon appearing here inside. So what we have to do, when we play, that icon also will appear. So I go to slideshow and just check. It will appear when I play. See, that icon is there. It is not good to show that icon there. So what do? I make sure that this icon is placed outside the work area. So I drag and keep outside. Now it will not appear when if I want this to be played as a background music for the whole slides, the whole slide presentation or PowerPoint presentation, go to playback and click on play in background. Then it will be played all through the slide presentation. otherwise it will be played only in the first slide. Let us see how it works. Music that is kept is played. I can also go to design and give various design even after creating the slides. I can choose one of these colorful ones and it will be applied to the complete slides. All the slides will have this design. I can change the color pattern. Suppose I want only this white area to change and I want to give another color there. How do I do that? I go to design and go here, format background. Here I can see solid fill. That means completely one color will be filled in the place where I want, or picture or texture or gradient or pattern are also there. So solid fill means it will appear like that. I can choose the color from here and it will be applied only to the first slide. But if I want it to be applied to the complete sides, I had to click here, apply to all. It will be applied to all the slides. Same way I can also use gradient fill. Here I can use different colors, 2-3 colors I can, 2-3 gradients I can use here. And if I click apply to all, it will be applied to all the slides. You can also use picture or texture to fill this area. I can choose the texture from here or go to file and choose some images and it is applied there. Or pattern, I can choose pattern, any of this pattern, and change the color of this pattern also. Once that is done, click apply to all. This is how it looks in the presentation. Now only when I click it will go to next slide, but there is a provision where we can fix the timing and automatically without even clicking it will go to the next slide. For that I had to make sure that I remove this tick mark from on mouse click and give a timing here. Here I give 3 seconds and that is ticked there, and click apply to all. Then even without clicking, after 3 seconds it will go to the next slide. Now let us see some transitions from one slide to next. We want some special effects. When next slide comes, we want some special effects to be seen. How do I do that? I click on the first slide and choose from transitions any of these. There are various transitions given here. I click one of those and so beautifully it appears. And for each one I can give different transitions. If I click apply to all, it will be one transition will be applied to all. Suppose I want various or different types of transitions, I choose each slide and choose various types of transitions. If you want only one type of transition, you can click on the first one and give the transition and click on apply to all. I already applied different types of transitions for this slide presentation, and see, it appears like this. Whenever I want to view it, I can press F5, and when I want to stop it, I can come back by pressing escape. Suppose I don't want, I can go back and click on none, and automatically the transition will be removed from that slide. Now, suppose I want some animations for each page. Text should come in a particular way, then images should appear in another way. For that, we have to do some animations. So for that, we go to animations. Now all these animations on top are deactivated because we have not selected any image or text in the given slides. So I select one image what is placed there, then automatically all those icons on top appears in animation. I can choose any of those. So here I click. Suppose I want same animation for all these stars, I press Ctrl and click all these and go here and choose an animation whichever I want. So that same animation will be applied to all those three. And if I want one more animation after coming, I go and click on add animation. That means after coming again one more animation to be done, I have to click on add animation. So it came first animation, then this is second animation. And for the text also I can select the text and give the animation. Here there are various animations for entrance, for emphasis and exit. For entrance, how it should enter, and emphasis, suppose we want to make sure that we give more stress for that particular point, that emphasis can be used. Here I am choosing one particular animation. So as I said, one is for entrance, the other set is for emphasis, and the third one is for exiting. So these are the various styles given here. And also there are motion paths. These motion paths are for sending a word or a text or an image in a particular path. Now we will give fade in here, and for Ave Maria, fly out, and when I press F5, it shows like this. Suppose I copy this particular Ave Maria Computer Center, you will see automatically in the copy also that animation appears as number 5. But here I can change the animation if I don't want that. Now here I am placing this Maria. And now I am typing computer center, computer. Then I can give another type of animation or same animation. That will be the 6th animation. So when I play, it will come like this. Now I create one more text here. I want that text to come in a particular path. So I select that text and make it bigger. I keep the text outside the work area. And once that is done, go to animation and go to more motion paths. Here I can choose any motion path I want. Here I choose this left. And when I play, what happens? It comes and stops here. So what do? I go to the slide, I click on that, and you will see that one yellow and green mark. Hold Shift and drag this yellow button to the left. And keep on the left. Then you will see "Have a nice day" has gone very fast. So to increase the timing, what I have to do is I go here and change this duration to whatever timings I want. Give more timing, then this particular text will scroll very slowly. Now it comes very slowly. We can also read it. Now I go to slideshow, and from beginning means I will be seeing from the starting of the slide. If I click from current slide there, suppose I want from 3rd onwards, I can click that and go to from current slide. Then from that slide onwards it will be shown. Suppose I want to hide some slides, I can click on the slide and go and click on hide slide. So when I play the view, that particular slide will not appear here. Suppose I want it back, I go and click those slides and again click on hide slide. It will come back. These are the ways of presenting a slide presentation. You can create your own creative manner. In a creative manner, you can make sure you give beautiful patterns and so on, beautiful designs. You yourself can design the background and place it and it will look beautiful. And how do I save it? I go to File and click on Save As. There are various ways of saving it. I go and click Save As. Here, the place where I want to save it. Then here, I give the name. And I click here. I can see PowerPoint presentation. That's the usual method of saving. Or I can also click PowerPoint Show and save it. That's another format. Or JPG file interchange format. Or another format also can be used. That is PNG format also can be used. And various formats are there. Or you can save as a video. Here I am saving it as PowerPoint Show. This is saved as a PowerPoint Show and it appears here. I click and it appears like this. Dear friends, I hope you understood today's class. The whole PowerPoint presentation class is taken in this single module. I hope you understood all what I have communicated to you. Hope to see you again in another class with another topic. Thanks for watching.